going to discuss digital electronics. In the digital electronics, we have only logic gate in our syllabus. Here, this is the logic gate is very important for the NEET student because of compulsory 1 bit come from in the logic gates. Here, now we are going to the topic. First one, the electronic circuits. The electronic circuits can be classified into two types. One is analog circuit and the second one is the digital circuit. Here, analog circuit. In the analog circuit, the waveform is continuous and it can have all signals are possible of voltage or current. It is all possibles of voltage and current will be possible in the analog circuit. Example, human voice in air or amplifier circuit and oscillatory circuit. But in the digital circuit, what is a digital circuit means? Here the waveform are a pulsated and it's have only discrete values of signals are possible. That means voltage or current with respect to time, it's varied only discrete values. Like this. That means the higher value we are denoted 1 and lower value is denoted 0. That means in the digital circuit, it's having only two values. One is the higher, another one is the low value. That means high voltage, low voltage. In the digital circuits are developed by using the Boolean algebra. That means here a Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra. Here, an English mathematician, George Boolean, was developed a logic algebra is called as a Boolean algebra in his honor. It has binary or two-valued logic. It permits only two values or two states of variables. It's in the Boolean algebra, it permits only two values. One is 0 or another one is 1 or 0. In the Boolean algebra, it can have a two variables of logic, that is we are called true or false. True or false. False. But in the electronic circuit, on or off states. That means the true or on is denoted by logic 1 and false and off is denoted by 0. And in the logic circuit, closed it's a denoted logic 1 and it is the open, it is a logic 0. And here high, the logic high it's denoted 1 and the low is denoted as 0. These are the Boolean states. That means the Boolean algebra, in the Boolean algebra, it can have a logic values or logic of words or logic of states. Now here in the Boolean algebra, which can permit only the two values 1 or 0, but it is not possible to permit and negatives and fractional values. Here it's a Boolean algebra is differ from both binary algebra and decimal algebra, that is the ordinary algebra. Here in the let us consider that w that is we can consider as a states one function y is equal to a plus b. This is one function. In this function the y is must be equal to a plus b. For we are discussing about the ordinary algebra. Ordinary algebra. In the ordinary algebra, that means a decimal algebra, decimal system, what we can say, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. On the time, what the condition of y is equal to 2? It is we know. But in the same this binary algebra, what is a binary system? Binary system. In the binary system, y is equal to, that is a is equal to 1 comma b is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 plus 1, it is getting that 1 0. It is don't call that 10, it is called 1 and 0, because of in the binary system only two values 1 and 0, two numbers 1 and 0. But in ordinary algebra decimal from 0 to 9 decimal system. But in the Boolean algebra, in the Boolean algebra, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. That is y is equal to 1 plus 1 is becomes as 1. This is called as a logic algebra, because in the ordinary algebra we are say 2. In the Boolean binary system, what we say that 1 0. But in the Boolean algebra, 1 plus 1 is become as 1. That means in the Boolean algebra, we don't consider as it is represented by 1 and 0. It is a mathematical tool, mathematical numbers 1 and 0. But it is in the Boolean algebra, you don't consider as a numbers. It is considered as the algebra of words or algebra of states. That's why it is in the Boolean algebra, we don't consider 1 and 0 is the numbers. It is the logic of words or logic of states. Here, now how to convert ordinary algebra into Boolean algebra or ordinary algebra into binary algebra. That is the ordinary system to binary system. Now here, for example, you can see that it is an ordinary system means it is a decimal point. Now we can take that a 2 is the decimal one. It is converted into binary system. X value we want. Then what we say that in the 2 in the binary converted means it is divided to the 2 ones 1. What remainder 0. That's why the 2 decimals is converted to binary. That is you can write like this left to right 1 0. Here for example we can take 15. It is the decimal. It is converted to binary. That is x to binary. Binary means we are represented as 2. Like that 15. 2. 2 7 are 14. It's a 7. 1 remainder here. Now 2 3s are 6. It's a 1 remainder here. Now 2 1s are 2. What remainder? 1. That means here we can write like in this order. That means 15 the decimal number, it is converted into binary is 1 1 1 1. This is the binary equivalent of 15 decimal. 15 decimal binary equivalent is 1 1 1 1 of 2. Now here we can see that. Now binary to decimal. You can take this you can understand very easy. 1 1 1. It is the binary. It is converted into decimal. How? Here now in the binary we can give the a place value from right to left, right bit to the left bit. It is the 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we write that here in third place, what is that? 1. 1 into binary is converted into decimal, that's why 2 power of 3 plus 1 into 2 power of 2 plus 1 into 2 power of 1 plus 1 into 2 power of 0. Then we are adding these. 2 power of 3 means 8. 2 power of 4, 2 power of 2 means 4. 4 into 1, 4. Plus 2 power of 2, 2. Plus 2 power of 0. Anything power of 0 is 1. That's why you can add that. We will get 15. That means 1, 1, 1 of 2. It's converted into decimal. That is represented as a 15. That is binary equivalent decimal is 15. Now we can go to the another problem. See that only one. Here 1 1 0 2 0 1 1 like this, or we can take this 0. Now it is the binary. What is the decimal number? Now first what we can give him the place value 0 1 2 3 4. Now 1 into 2 power of 4 plus 0 into, because of in the third place 0 into the power 2 power of 3, because of binary system converted into decimal, plus 0 into 2 power of 2 plus 1 into 2 power of 1 plus 1 into 2 power of 0. Then we can add this. 2 power of 4 means 16 plus 0 0 plus 0 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 2 power of 0 1 1 into 1 1. Now we can add this. What we get? 16 plus 2 18 and 19. This is 19. 1 1 0 0 1 double 1 is that 19. Now by using this conversion, the binary to decimal, decimal to binary. Now we are going to next logic operation. Now, fundamental operation of Boolean algebra. Here, in the Boolean algebra, it can have three fundamental operations. One is OR operation. OR operation. Another one is the AND operation. Third one is the NOT operation. Here, AND operation, it is represented by the symbol plus. Here, actually, the plus is does not indicate that the addition as the ordinary system. That means it is expressed in a Boolean algebra y is equal to a plus b. That called that y is equal to a plus b. But what is the meaning of the logic operation is y is equal to a or b. That means y is equal to 1. It is the output. When output is 1 means maybe a is equal to 1 or b is equal to 1, or a and b both are becomes 1. In this condition, the output will be high. Now the OR operation can be expressed as like this. 0 plus 0 is the 0. 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1 is the 1. These are the OR operation. Now AND operation. AND operation is represented by dot or into. But multiplication, into is represented as a multiplication. But in the Boolean algebra, in the Boolean operation, the into is not as in the ordinary algebra. Like that, the expression of AND operation is y is equal to a into b, or we can denote it simply a dot b. Here a dot b means the output y is 1 when means both a and b are becomes as 1, then only the y is 1. This is the operation of AND. That means what we say that the expression of AND operation is 0 dot 0 is 0, 1 dot 1 is 1, that is 0 dot 1 is 0, that is 1 dot 0 is 0. Now we are going to NOT operation. What says that NOT operation means? It is a complementary operation. Complementary operation means it is represented by bar over the letter, like one bar. That means, so for example, it's a can express y is equal to the operation of NOT is y is equal to a bar. What is that means? A bar means opposite to a, not a. A bar is the meaning of a bar is not a, not a. What is the not a means? Like that, if a is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 bar. 1 bar means not 1. Not 1 means what? In the Boolean algebra only two states. One state is 1, other state is 0. Not 1 means it becomes as a 0. That means the NOT operation is expressed 1 0. 1 bar equal to 0. 0 bar is becomes as 1. This is the NOT operation. Now we are going to discuss postulates and theorems of Boolean algebra. Postulates and theorems of Boolean algebra. Now first, OR law. Here, OR law is, we know the symbol plus, that is a plus 0 is a plus a is a plus 1 is 1, so not a, that is a plus a bar is 1. Now next AND law. Here a dot 0 0, a dot a is a dot 1 is a dot a bar is 0. Now complementation law, NOT law, complementation law. That means, see what you write complementation law. That is 1 bar is 0, 0 bar is 1. That is a bar and whole bar. That means not a bar. That meaning of what? Bar, whole bar means not a bar. That means not a bar means it is a. That means a bar, whole bar is become as a. Now commutative law. commutative law. Here A plus B is equal to B plus A, or next in multiplication A dot B is equal to B dot A. In the logical algebra, it obeys commutative law. Now distribute associative law. Associative law, like that. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. That is A dot B dot C, that is equal to A dot B dot C. Now distributive law. That is A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C, or A plus B dot C, that is A dot C plus B dot C. Now these are the operations, and one more, that is absorptive operation, absorptive law and De Morgan's law. We can see that. Absorptive law. Here A plus B dot C can be written as what? Here A plus B dot A plus C. Now A dot A plus B is A, that is A plus A dot B is become as A. Now A dot A bar plus B is A dot B, that is A plus A bar dot B, then it is as A plus B. Now De Morgan laws. De Morgan's law. Here A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. A dot B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Now A bar plus B bar whole bar is equal to, here whole bar will be divided. Whole bar will be divided means it is a dot. That's why A bar whole bar dot B bar whole bar. It becomes as A dot B. Because of A bar whole bar is A. Now A bar dot B bar whole bar is equal to, it is divided A bar whole bar plus B bar whole bar. That's why A plus B. Now we are going to discuss logic gates. Here logic gate is not a device. It is an electronic circuit which evaluates a particular function, logical functions. Now logic gates which can has one or more inputs but only one output. Now here the first we are discussing about symbols of the logic gates. Symbols of logic gates, so you can see that first logic gate, the basic gates are three. The basic gates are three. There are OR gate, AND gate and NOT gate. These are the basic gates. And universal gates are NOR gate and NAND gate. These are the universal gates, very important for objective point of view bit. The basic gates are three, universal gates are NOR and NAND. Why they are called as universal gates means by using the NOR and NAND gates we can construct any other gates. Now XOR gate and XNOR gate. These are the other two gates, but in your syllabus only the 5 gates. Maybe sometimes XOR gate output also we are getting. Now we can study about these gates. Now we are going to the symbols of the logic gates. Symbols of logic gate. First one is OR gate. This is the OR gate. A B, and this is the output Y. This is the OR operation is what? A plus B. This is. Here we observe that it is the OR operation is nothing but OR gate. Now AND gate. AND gate. First one over. Second AND gate. Like A, B, and Y is equal to A dot B. This is the AND gate. Third one is NOT gate. Here NOT gate which can have only one output and one input, that is the complementary. And NOR gate. NOR gate. The symbol of NOR gate is here, like bubble. This is the NOR gate. Y is equal to R complementary. That is the NOR gate. Bubble. Difference is the bubble in front of it. Now NAND gate. That is same AND gate in front of a bubble like this. A, B. That is AND gate complementary is the NAND gate. Now XOR gate. XOR gate. XOR. That is A, B. That is operation of Y output is very important to see that A bar plus A bar B plus A B bar. Very important that we are denoted what? A plus B. Like this is the XOR gate. XNOR gate. XNOR gate. Complementary of XOR gate. That is A, B, and here bubble. Y is equal to AB plus AB bar. This is the XNOR gate. The complementary of this one, we can see that Y is equal to, what is the XOR gate? XOR gate is A bar B plus A B bar. Now complementary, it is the XOR gate. XNOR gate, it is also one type of problem. Here you see that XNOR gate output is what? This complementary of these. That means XNOR gate complementary, that is complementary of XOR gate. A bar B plus A B bar. Now plus is there whole bar. That what you write? A bar B whole bar dot A B bar whole bar. Now here what you write? Bar will be there. A bar whole bar plus B bar dot here A bar plus B bar whole bar. Now what you write? A bar whole bar is A plus B bar dot. Now A bar plus here what do you write? B. Now multiply it. A dot A bar plus now AB plus A bar B bar. You write like that, anything, plus B bar B. See, in the dot product AND operation, A bar is becomes as a 0, B bar becomes as 0. Then what you get? AB plus AB whole bar, AB whole bar. Then we get now AB whole bar, like that, A bar B bar or AB whole bar. Now this is the symbols of logic gates. Now we are going to discuss one by one. First one is OR gate. OR gate. Now here one, you remember it, very important, these two nodes. In these inputs of 0 volts we are supplied, or it is the input is connected to the earth, then that logic function is 0. And plus 5 volts, the input voltage is plus 5 volts, that logic function of the input is 1. We can denote like this. And next to note 2, here the probability of the inputs. Here in the logic gates we can have only two states, binary states. What is there? One is 0, another one is the 1, 0 or 1. That's why the two states. And how many probability of the inputs means, it depends on how many inputs are applied. Now in our syllabus only 2 inputs. That's why 2 power of n. N is represented as the number of inputs. The 2 is represented as the states of permissible, the possibility of states. In the logic only 2 states are possible. One is low or high, true or false, or on or off, or closed or open. Any logic 2 states, 2 variables. That's why 2 power of 1. 2 is represented as a variable of states and n is represented as a inputs. For example, only one input. One input means 2 power of 1. That is the inputs are possible. Probability of inputs is 2. 2 power of 2 inputs are possible. That is the probability of inputs are 4. Now first we are discussing about the OR function, OR gate. Now the symbol of OR gate like this. Now truth table of OR gate. Truth table. A, B, it is the Y. Here Y. Here how many inputs? 2. How many probability of inputs are possible? 4. That is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now in OR operation what say? 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0, 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0. That we can write the statement, any one of input is high, output is high. You see, any one of the input is high, output will be high. Both inputs are 0, output is also 0. Now the OR gate we can construct it by the electronic circuit by using the bulbs. You see that. This is the bulb. Like, it's a very important. Now this is the A, this is the B. Now what we can do this here? A is closed. Closed. Here in the closed we are representing the logic is 1, open is the logic 0. Now closed. A is closed. B also closed. Then what? Current will flow to bulb will be glow. Here A is closed, B is open. Then the bulb will be glow. And A is open, B is closed. The current will flow, bulb will be glow. But both are open, the bulb does not glow. This is. Now the OR gate is constructed by the diodes. Diodes. See. Here. Now it is the positive, it is the negative. Here it is high voltage 5 volts at first diode 1 D1, it is the diode 2 and 0 here. Now the 5 volt is connected to the first diode, then it is in the forward bias. 0 volts connected to the D2 diode, then it is the reverse bias. Then on the time it is the reverse bias, current does not flow. The current flows through, conducted through this. Then we get the output 1. Now reverse it. Now in this case D2 diode is the forward bias. The current will flow here. Both are conducted the current. Then current will flow here. Both are 0. 0 means both are in the reverse bias. The current does not flow through this. That's why the output will be low. This is the OR gate. This is the OR gate. Now we are going to discuss AND gate. AND gate. AND gate. Now second one is AND gate. AND gate. Here the symbol of AND gate we know this. AND gate. Now here truth table, the A and B, the operation of AND gate is Y is equal to A dot B. Here the operation of AND gate, the truth table of AND gate, here A, B, Y. Now in the 4 probability of inputs is possible, that is 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Here AND operation is the multiplication operation. We know that operation 1.1 1 1.0 0 0.1 0 0.0 0. Now what we say that any statement is, remember it, very important. Through the statement only we are solve the problems. Any one of input is low, then output is low. Is low. Here 1 is nothing but true, 1 is nothing but high, 1 is nothing but on, 1 is nothing but closed. Like that we can write that closed, 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 open, open, like that. Now this is the AND operation. Now the constructed by using bulbs. This is the AND operation. This is the A, this is the B. See, when both bulbs are closed, both the switches are closed, closed, then current will be conducted, the bulb will be glow. Now, any one, A is closed, B is open. Now, current does not conduct through the circuit. That's why it does not glow. B is closed, A is open, does not conduct through that. Both are open, current does not conduct through the circuit, then the bulb will not glow. Now this is the AND operation bulb. In the diode, see, here A and here B. Now, here first in both A is 1, B is 1. Both are connected to the high. Then D1 and D2 diodes, D1 and D2 both are the reverse bias. The current does not conduct through it. Then the current will flow through this. Current will flow here. That's why the output will get 1. It's very, very important, this one. See, both D1, D2, both are high voltage, 5 volts. But the diodes are in the reverse bias. The current does not conduct through these. Then the current flows through by using the external circuit, that is here 5 volts. It's a flowing. Then the bulb will be flow. Now, A is 0, B is 1. Through the D2 diode is a reverse bias, the current does not flow. The current flows through it is a 0. The current flows through it. But the voltage 5 volts is drop across to it. Only it is will be conducted this. But how much of potential we can apply? 0. That's why it is getting the output is 0. Now, it is 1, it is 0. Then it is also same. Both 0. Then the output will also be 0. This is for AND gate. Now we are going to discuss NOT gate. NOT gate. That is the complementary gate. See, it's a very, very important in the complementary gate. It is NOT gate. Here, the symbolically NOT gate we are denoted like this. Only one input and one output, A. This is the Y is equal to A bar. Now here it's having only one input, A, and Y is equal to A bar. Only one input. That means how many inputs are possible? That is the 2. One is 1 or another one is 0. One complementary is the 1 bar. That is the 0. 0 complementary is 1. 0 complementary is 1. Now here that is any one of the input is low, then or high, the output is in the opposite, complementary. That is 1 is 0, 0 is 1. Now the circuit, bulb circuit, like that. Plus minus. Now here is the A. Open. Open means 0. Then the current will be conducted, the bulb will be glowed. Closed, a switch is closed. Switch is closed means the state is 1. Then in the circuit will be short circuited. That's why the current will flow through these only. That's why the bulb will not glow. The current does not passes through this circuit. Current will passes because of short circuit. Then it is low. Now, NOT gate is constructed by using a transistor. Here in the transistor, the emitter base junction is always forward bias, collector base junction is always reverse bias. Then only the transistor will be active state. Now here we are given that in the output we can give 5 volts. That means high. 5 volts means high. And here this is in the forward bias. In the forward bias means through the collector 2, the current will be conducted through this. Current will be conducted through this. When? Because of this is the forward bias. The current will be conducted through this. The transistor will be in the active state. The current will flow through the emitter like this. That's why it is getting the 0 because of current will be conducted through in this way. When we apply, on the time the state 1, but the output becomes as 0 because the current does not flow through the output. Now the A is 0. That means the emitter base junction is the reverse bias. In the reverse bias means the current does not flow through this. Current does not flow in through this direction. That's why the current will flow through this. That's why the state will be high. The output will be high. That means 0 we getting the high. This is about NOT gate. Now we are going to discuss NAND gate. Now NAND gate. NAND gate. Here. And NOR gate. Both. NAND and NOR. Very simple. Here first one is, now fourth one. It is the NAND gate. NAND gate. You know here the construction of a NAND gate will be, that is AND plus NOT is the NAND gate. That is AND gate is what you write like this. NOT gate is like this. Here A, B. It is the output of AND gate is A dot B. Output of NOT gate is A dot B whole bar because of input is this. Y is equal to. This is the NOT. Now the symbolically NOT gate we are denoted like this. A, B. That is Y is equal to A plus B. A dot B. That is in De Morgan laws, what you write? A bar plus B bar also. B bar also. Then here, now truth table. Here, how many inputs? 2. 2 inputs means how many permissible probability of inputs? 4. A, B. That is Y is equal to, that is A dot B. Then what do you write? That is Y is equal to A dot B whole bar. 1100, that is 1010. Now A dot B, 1.1 1, 1.0 0, 0.1 0, 0.0 0. This is the under truth table. But complementary of under truth table, 1 is complementary 0, 0 complementary 1, 1, 1. What is the statement of this? NAND gate statement. Any one of input is low. See, any one of input is low, output is high. Output is high. Any one of the input is low, output is high, is the NAND operation. Now, the constructions by using the bulb construction like this. It is A, it is B. Now you see that both are open. The current will be constructed, the current will be flowing, the bulb will be glow. A is closed, but the current does not flow through these. That's why again current will flow through these, the bulb will be glow. A is open, B is closed, then same the bulb will be glow. But both are closed. Closed means one. Both are closed. The current will be passing through like this. It will get a short circuit. The current does not flow through this. This is the NAND operation. Now we are going to discuss NOR operation. NOR gate. NOR gate. It is the NAND operation. NAND gate is very important because of last year 2019 bit. NOR operation. NOR, fifth one. NOR operation. NOR gate. That means R plus not. R plus not. R plus not is the NOR gate, AD. Then it is y is equal to a plus b. That is y is equal to a plus b whole bar. Then right here, the symbol of NOR gate we can denote it like this. Bubble in front of it. A, B. That is y is equal to a plus b bar. Now we can draw the truth table. Here A, B, A plus B, y is equal to a plus b whole bar. Now by using De Morgan laws, what do you write? A bar dot b bar. That means AND operation of the complementary of A and B is also a NOR gate. Now 1 1 0 0 because of two inputs. That's why 4 probability of inputs. 1 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0. Complementary 0 0 0 1. That is what you write. Opposite to the NAND gate, no? Any one of input is high, output is low. Any one of the input is high, output is low. See, now the bulb construction of it. Now it is the bulb construction of NOR gate. Here both are open, both are open, A and B are open, the bulb will be glow. It is closed, A is closed, the current will be passes through this. That means it's a form as short circuit. Now the bulb will not glow. Now next, B is closed, B is closed, then it's form as a short circuit, the bulb will not glow. Both are closed, it's form as a short circuit in this, the bulb will not glow. When the bulb is, the two switches are open, then the bulb will be glow. This is about OR. Now going to discuss XOR gate, exclusive OR gate or XOR, XOR gate, XOR gate, XOR gate, sixth one, XOR gate. It is not in our syllabus, but sometimes in the problem we are solving, we getting exclusive OR gate operation, that we can output will get, that is exclusive operation of output is y is equal to a bar b plus a b bar. Now that we are denoted a plus round of b. This is the exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. Now that is we are constructed like this. This is now here we are constructed like this. Y. See, it is the A, it is the A bar, it is the B. Now it is A bar dot B, OR gate. Now it is the A, it is the B bar because of NOT gate. Then what A dot B bar. Now both are combined, we got what A bar dot B plus because of OR gate, that is A dot B bar. This is. Now we can see that truth table about it. Truth table. Truth table. See, A, B, A bar, B bar, A bar dot B and A dot B bar, and we got here that is y is equal to A plus a whole like this. This is the exclusive output, exclusive OR gate output. Now A 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 because of two inputs, that is 2 power of 2 is the 4 probability of inputs. Now 1 opposite 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 opposite to B bar is 0 1. Now A bar and 1 under operation, A bar dot B bar, 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1 0. Now next, see A B bar, A B bar, 1 0 0 1 0 sorry 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. Here B bar A 1 0 0, 1 1 is 1, 0 1 0 0 0, 0 1 0. Now here first these two, 0 plus 0 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1, 0 0 0. See what is the about it here? Any or two inputs are low or high. See, two inputs are high, two inputs are low. Now what you got? Two inputs are low or high, then output is zero. Output is low. Remember it. It is the exclusive OR gate. Now exclusive NOR gate, that is XNOR gate. XNOR gate. Same what we can modify that is only whole bar. Whole bar. That operation is what? AB plus A bar dot B bar. Now here what you can add here? You can add it here what? Only we can add that not gate. Not gate. That is here Y is equal to AB plus A bar B bar. This is the XNOR gate. XNOR gate. The symbolically we can denote it as, this is the symbol of AB. Y is A plus B. This is the XOR gate symbol. But a XNOR gate symbol is the same, similar like that, but only in front of bubble. This is the A, B. This is called Y is equal to A plus B bar. This is the symbol of XNOR gate. XNOR gate symbol. Now, but it is not in syllabus, but once we discuss it here. Now, in the last column, same what you write here, same as it is. We can write that it is Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar. Then otherwise we can do like this. Opposite to it, or otherwise we can write like this. A bar, B bar, and what? Next we can find AB, and next AB bar, A bar, B bar. Next here what do you write? A that is Y is equal to A plus B round B whole bar. Now A dot B 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. Now here 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1. What is that 1 1? 1 1 1 1 is 1. Now adding this, add 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. You can see that opposite to the XOR gate, that is what? Any or two inputs are high or low. Two inputs are high or low. Output is high. Output is high. This is the XNOR gate. Now we are going to discuss why the NAND gate and NOR gate are the universal gates. and how to construct by using OR gate, NOR gate and NAND gate constructed by OR gate, NOT gate and AND gates. We can see that. NOR and NAND gates are universal gates. You can see that why these are means by using NOR and NAND gate we constructed the basic gates. You see that. Now it is by using NOR gate. Yeah, in this side you can divide it here by using NAND gate. First one is the construction of NOT gate. By using NOR gate we constructed the NOT gate. See, NOR gate symbol of NOR gate. A, B. This is the symbol of NOR gate. Now symbol of AND gate. And the bubble in front of it. It is. See, NOT gate is constructed by using NOR gate. But a NOT gate having only one input. That's why these two inputs of NAND gate will be connected to one point. There. What is the operation of NOT? Here, A, that is A plus A whole bar. A plus A is nothing but A bar. That is, for NOT operation also same, no. A, the complementary of A bar. You got it. Now, by using NAND gate constructed by the NOT, like similarly here, but NOT gate having only one input, that's why NAND gate of two input is connected to one input A. Then we are like written like this: y is equal to A dot A bar, that is A dot A whole bar, that is called A bar. This is the NOT gate. See, second one, OR gate, very important, constructed by OR gate by using the NOR gate. See, A, it is B. Now because of not we are using like this, no, that then we write here AB, that what is that, y is that is A plus B whole bar, A plus B whole bar, the output of the NOR gate. Now this is y is equal to A plus B bar plus B bar whole bar. This is about what? This NOR gate. Y is equal to here A plus B bar whole bar. Then what you got? A plus B. That means OR gate is constructed by using NOR gate. We can have the minimum NOR gates are 2. Minimum NOR gates are 2. The 2 NOR gates are enough to construct the OR gate. Now, here OR gate is constructed by using the NAND gate. See, now here NAND gate. A. It is the B. These two are connected to the again NAND gate. This is why. Here, this is like a NOT gate. That's why A bar. It is the B bar. Now what you write here? That is A bar dot B bar whole bar. Now it is can be written as what? By using De Morgan's law. A dot B whole bar is there. No cutting that. A bar whole bar plus B bar whole bar. That is y is equal to, it is right, A plus B. You can see that the OR gate is constructed by using a NAND gate. We want to the required 3 NAND gates. By using 3 NAND gates, we constructed the OR gates. By using 2 NOR gate, we constructed the OR gate. Now we are going to last AND gate. AND gate construction. AND gate. See here, by using NOR gate, we constructed the AND gate. See. A, it is the B, that is y is equal to, here A bar, because of this is the R, it is also R, B bar. That what you write? A bar plus B bar whole bar. By using De Morgan law, what you write? A bar whole bar dot B bar whole bar. Because of whole bar, by use plus will be there. Then we write the De Morgan law by using that. A dot B. This is the AND gate. Now, in this AND gate is constructed by using NOR gate. We required 3 NOR gates. 3 NOR gates. AND gate construction by using NOR gate. We are using 3 NOR gates. Now, third one, that is the AND gate is constructed by NAND gate. A, it is the B, then it is the A dot B whole bar. But NAND gate having 2 inputs, the same inputs we can given that, we get that A dot B bar dot A dot B bar whole bar. Then what? A dot B whole bar, that is A dot B. AND gate is constructed by using NAND gate. We can use the 2 NAND gates. Minimum 2 NAND gates we are using that constructed AND gate. Minimum 3 NOR gate we can use constructed the AND gate. Like that. Now we are going to the problems 10 previous years and all expected problems also. Very, very important. These, by using these operations, we can do the problems. Thank you.